Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Julie and today you are out in the field with me. We are going to be doing my absolute favorite thing in the whole wide world. We're going thrift shopping today. We'll be hitting up some of my favorite thrift stores. I'll show you what I buy, the things to steer clear from, and the second half of the video will be how I use and style it in my own home. So without further ado, let's go shopping. We just popped into my favorite local thrift store. It's the Anaheim thrift store, and I love this spot. There's such a great selection of not only apparel, but also home goods and artwork. We just stepped inside and look what I found already. I can't believe that this art piece is only $14. I'm pretty sure you're looking at it and you're thinking, oh my gosh, did someone just pull this out from grandma's attic? But this is so my vibe. The only thing is it might just be a little bit too warm for my space, but we're gonna take a picture and double check at home. I love these bowls. Look, there's even a matching set. I mean, I could totally see this in the entry as like a valet catch-all. This will be great for all of my fresh picked blooms from the garden. And this is just so cute to style on a bookcase. My best tip for you when buying bedding secondhand, don't purchase anything with quilts. Look for single layers of fabric, which make it so much easier for you to throw it in the wash and dry in an instant. When it comes to home decor, I always look for items with an artisan feel. Look for natural, organic, handmade finishes like wood or bamboo or rattan or even cane. These hold up really well and can work with a variety of distinct styles. I picked up a pack of these small wood cups for less than $5. These are going to make the perfect espresso cups for my new coffee station. I love going through all of the woven baskets. These types of baskets can sell for $30 to $50 in retail stores, and here it is at a secondhand store for less than $5. What a steal. Oh my gosh, I love this. How cute is this? Look at these plastic champagne flutes. This is so perfect for Halloween, but it's June. Okay, am I really gonna hoard this all the way into October, June? It's like 4 months. So cute. Okay, the baby's asleep. I have a little bit of time to shop for myself. Don't ever leave a thrift store without going through all of the artwork. I found some of my favorite art pieces here secondhand. You really do have to go through every single one, but just think, if a piece of art doesn't work, the frame might. Or maybe the art piece works, but the frame doesn't. Don't forget to inspect your items before you check out your cart. Sometimes zippers get stuck and it's not the wisest purchase, so this guy's going back. Okay, one stop down. The Anaheim thrift store is actually my favorite local thrift store. It's actually right down the street from me. When I moved into the neighborhood, I was actually driving around looking for thrift stores. I found my favorite Goodwill, my favorite local thrift shop, which is this one. So never sleep on those local thrift stores that are right in your neighborhood. Let's go to our next stop. Goodwill is really a hit or miss for me. Sometimes I find some amazing pieces, sometimes I don't. Look at this mirror. It is only $50, originally $150 from World Market. It's strong, it's sturdy, it's wood, it's modern, it's minimal. It's so cute. Score! Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I found this entire set of vintage botanical prints. This is going to be so perfect for my guest bathroom gallery wall that I've been dying to install. And look, oh my gosh, I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 prints. Holy moly, what a score. Another day, another thrift store. We're checking out Restore by Habitat for Humanity. I also love this thrift store because they have so much furniture at discounted prices. You always want to check to see how long the piece has been in stock because they will always give you discounts, 25, 50, or 75% off. Did you know that you could still negotiate and haggle down prices? Yes, even at the thrift store. You know me, I will literally go down every single aisle, pull down every single piece just to inspect it and make sure that I don't miss out on some hidden treasures. I love this bench. It looks like it's leather, but upon closer inspection, it's actually just really heavy duty pieces of vinyl, which is just plastic, not leather, so this is going back. Wow, this antique cabinet is so incredible. This is actually a designer piece from C.S. Woe & Sons. It originally retails for over $2,000, and here it is on sale for $399. Wow. And from the date on the sticker, it looks like they got it over a month ago, so you can actually negotiate this down even further. I wish I had a place for it. A designer's tip when shopping for artwork, especially when you're installing a gallery wall, is to lay it out all on the floors or a surface tabletop. This will allow you to create a collection of colors and use that palette to inspire the design of the entire gallery wall. I can't believe I scored all 5 pieces for just under $60. What a steal. To be honest, I have no idea where these wood trays are going to go, but they're a vessel. They're gonna hold something and it's going to be very, very chic. Okay, so here is everything that I've gotten over the last couple of weeks. All of this is going into the bathroom, but I'm loving the color story. We actually scored this from Goodwill today, but it doesn't really vibe, so I think I'm gonna save this for another room. A designer's tip when installing a gallery wall in the bathroom is that frames with glass don't do so well. The steam, heat, and humidity actually collects behind the glass and warps the paper over time. So you want to make sure that number one, you don't get a lot of steam and heat in that bathroom, or only use canvases without glass frames. Some of these frames didn't come with picture hanging tools, and we'll be adding a sawtooth picture hangers to the back of these blank frames. If you need a refresher on what's in my toolbox, definitely check out that video. I also have a really great video of how to hang pictures like a pro. I didn't realize it, but this one has a crack. So I'm actually going to remove the entire paper backing and just mount this without its frame. So now all of that is going to go on all of these walls. Here's a quick refresher on what the bathroom used to look like before I did the makeover. As you can see, I had painted all of the shower walls. It had this black and white checkerboard pattern, which I actually love, but the tile was so cheap and inexpensive looking that I knew I had to just paint right over it. So now we've got these blank black walls that I always felt like I needed to fill up with something, so here we go. I always like to hang the largest picture first in a gallery and then start to layer the smaller pieces around it. I don't really compose these pieces before I hang them up. I really just allow the colors to speak to me to determine what comes after. You can pull out a tape measure and compose this exactly as how you'd like, but for me, I've been doing this for so long, I like to just install right on the wall, on the fly, and go with my gut to see how it looks and feels. Ta-da! And here is the finished look. What do you think of my brand new gallery wall in this guest bathroom makeover 2.0? I am loving it. It is making all of my granny chic vibes come alive. I love the oil paintings. I love the illustrations. I just feel like it has a very modern European feel in here that still feels very vintage and chic. Remember those small espresso cups? Just because 6 comes in a pack doesn't mean you need to display all 6. Editing is key here, everyone. I ended up using this little glass vessel as a catch-all for my jewelry and watches. I love how the milky glass contrasts against my antique black chest. You can never have enough organizers in your life. I use this to corral all of my tech and cable goods. This vintage wooden tray is now used to style all of my husband's casual watches. That's it for today's video. I hope you got some really great ideas on what to look for when you're out thrift shopping, at the flea market, or even purchasing secondhand. Remember that it doesn't take a whole lot of money to install something you love in your home. This gallery wall that you see behind me that I have been dying to install in my bathroom, it only took a few trips to the thrift stores and less than $100. I mean, I absolutely scored. I love the way all of these new pieces look in my home, and I cannot wait to shop my own home for new pieces to add to my collection or even DIY some new artwork. So the next time that you're traveling, you're on vacation, or even have an afternoon off, make sure you drop by your local thrift store or the flea market to see what treasures you can find. If you like this type of content and you want to see more DIY, more come shop with me videos on the channel, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know if you have any questions when it comes to installing a gallery wall. I have a really great video on how to install a gallery wall from start to finish. I also have an entire playlist that's dedicated to styling your home, so make sure you check that out. Share this video with anyone you know who loves interior design as much as we do, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click that little notification bell to be notified of new videos that we drop every single Tuesday. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week.